Hello everyone, Richard Contreras here. Just wanted to do this quick training video. This is in regards to Zoom. This is in regards to Zoom going live streaming on Facebook. I was doing a Facebook live and I was trying to add a guest to an interview and it wouldn't work. So we had to go another alternative route and he chose Zoom. And when we streamed it live on Facebook. So I wanted to show you how we did it. So let's get started. You're definitely going to need to have the upgraded package for the webinar, which is like $40 a month. And then you're going to need to have the Pro package, which is like $14 a month. Otherwise, you can have Zoom for free, but you wouldn't be able to do webinars or one-on-one webinars through Facebook Live through Zoom unless you have that webinar package. So we ordered it. So let's get started. We're going to go to webinars here. Now we're going to schedule a webinar. So this is good if you want to do one-on-one interviews or if you want to have multiple people on in your webinar. So we're just going to do this for testing only. Test topic, it's a very important test for description, when, time, duration. I always unbox that for the required password. We're the host. We're going to have a panelist and scroll down. You can see these options here. We'll leave it and we'll schedule it. Okay, so now we scheduled it, so you can definitely see, you can put it in your calendar. We'll scroll down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the bottom down here, and you're going to see down here where it says invite panelists. So we're going to invite our panelists who we want to join us. And so we're going to push edit. We're going to add their name in here, and then we're going to add their email. Okay, and then you're going to make sure this box down here is checked, because as soon as you push the save button, they're going to get a notification of an invite for your webinar. Alright, so it went out. Tom will get it. So now we're going to click live streaming. Let's click live streaming here. You'll see there we are, Facebook Live, Workplace, and YouTube. So let's go ahead and get this webinar started. We'll show you. Open Zoom. All right, join with computer audio. Here we are. Hello everyone. Okay, so now we are going to, let's see where it says more, these three little dots right down here. You're going to push live on Facebook. And we're going to wait for, yep, here we go. I must have pushed it twice. So we'll wait for the one. Okay, so now it's given us an option to choose where you want the post to go live at. So you can share it on your timeline, or you can share it on a page you manage. So I won't share it on my timeline right now because we're doing a test, so I'm going to just do it on the page I manage. You find the page you want, and next. Alright, here we go. So it's preparing our live streaming right now. You can see it's going from Zoom to Facebook Live. So let's wait and see. Okay. This is a live training. So we're waiting for Facebook to prepare it for us. It takes a few minutes, maybe about a minute or two. Alright, so now you can see it says connect your live stream. It's fetching the video. So over to your right here, you can say something about the video. Test. We're just testing this one. So test. You can put a title. Test. You can tag, and you can share it with groups. So once you push this go live button, you're going live. So let's go push it. Alright guys, we're live. Awesome. So the test has been done. Here we are. We are now streaming on live. So that's what you need to be able to do in order to get Zoom